Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto G56 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to localize a special number which is usually called build number. So let's enter device identifiers, and the build number is right here. So all we have to do is to keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Now we can go back to the general settings and enter system. And here tap on developer options. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, you can show view updates, you can change the window animation scale, you can show surface updates. Here we've got the pointer location, also some options connected with the connection or networking overall. So quite a lot of options to choose from to customize. If you'd like to turn on the feature, simply tap on the switcher on it and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. And if you've got the options without the switcher, so for example, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off. Just tap on the switcher which is pinned to the top of the screen. So just tap on it and most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back you can see that the developer options will disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.